There's a 12th question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. And number 12 says that T represents seconds, and it's asking how much liquid is draining each second. Well, if you know that each or every or per is an indication of slope, and you know that slope is always attached to x, in this case t, then you know your answer is 4, you know it in 5 seconds. Otherwise, you could throw it into Desmos and click the gear and choose the table, and you can see after each second passes, it's 4 less. So once again, your answer choice is D, 4. Thank you for joining us today. To see the longer videos, go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center. Go to the playlists, and the longer videos are just above the shorter videos once you find the section and module number. Have a great day.